video will outline advanced drop-down lists in Excel. Here we have a financial analysis of sales by month. Now let's say we want to create a drop-down list of this month's range. Further, we want a start and end month. Naturally, we want our two drop-down lists to be interrelated. That is, the second or end month drop-down list will be influenced by the input of the first or start month's drop-down list, and vice versa. For now, let's create simple drop-down lists using data validation. If our start month is January, then our end month must be February or later. Go to cell H5 and type the following. Clearly, January is the first month in this range, and February is the second month in this example. These formulas are pivotal to the success of this exercise, hence their accuracy is paramount. Now we will write a formula to identify the position of the end month relative to the range. Be sure to type this formula. This formula acts as a bottom-up counter of the end month value. February's value of 10 means it is 10 places above the last month in the range, December. We are now ready to create our defined name for our end month in cell F6. Given the complexity of these defined name formulas, I will type them in column K in order to illustrate the key elements. Type the following formula. Be sure to reference firstly cell B6, the first value in the range, then the count value of start month in cell H5. Columns will be 0. Height will be determined by the number of months in the range using count A. Less the count value in cell H5. We need to prevent users selecting the start month in our end month list. Copy this formula, select Formulas, Name Manager, New. I'm using the name End Month. Under Refers, paste the formula from cell K6. And click OK. We will now write the formula for the start month. Type this formula in cell K5. Again, ensure to reference cell B6, the first cell in the range. However, both rows and columns are 0. Height uses this count A formula. Less brackets, the value in cell I6, which is the end month position from December 2016. +1, close brackets, close brackets. Copy this formula, go to Formulas, Name Manager, New. Paste this formula from cell K5 under Refers To. We can now assign the defined name to the drop-down list. Under Data Validation, Source, change the range to Start Month. Do the same for the second drop-down list in cell F6, but change the source to End Month. We can see with the End Month drop-down list, we can only select months after January 2016, because this is the value selected in cell F5. If we change the end month to March and click on our Start Month drop-down list, we can only choose the early months of January and February. In summary, here are the two formulas that are used in the defined names of start month and end month respectively. As a final check, I will select December as my end month. When I click on the start month, this drop-down list now extends down to November 2016. This highlights the use of defined names for advanced drop-down lists in Excel.